Hello everybody, welcome to the audio test log. In this test, I'll be testing how my mic comes across to you guys and how I normally talk in game. Now, I got to warn you, I can use some harsher words than I would like to admit, so please be aware of that. Now, first thing I'm going to go over before I end, I am aware of the audio issue gameplay issue where the sound is not recording properly. I'm unsure to how to fix this, but I will keep as I tried everything I can find. But I will keep looking. Hopefully, I can find a fix soon for you guys. Please note that I won't be recording my voice in every video, and if I sound a bit, what's the word? If sometimes you listen and some of the audio don't make so much sense, it's due to the fact that currently I don't edit. It is something I'm not into, and I am hoping to start next year. But for now, because I don't know a lot about editing, that's the reason I'm not. So, I'm going to leave it all here, guys. Please tell me what you rate on my recording. If I get good feedback on this, I'll be recording 1 or 2 episodes a month with my voice in. I may try more, just see how it goes. Okay, let's leave it here. Bye, guys.